I'm back. Thought I'd do a bit of a remix to a song close to my heart, all of you know.
Did I disappoint you or let you down?
Yeah, you did.
Should I be feeling guilty?
I shouldn't.
Let the judges frown.
You should. And the judges should frown.
Before we began, yes, I saw you were good.
Should.
And I knew I had won. So I took what's mine by eternal right.
You took it all.
Took your soul out.
Yeah, you took that well, bitch.
It may be over, but it won't stop there. I am here for you. If you'd only care.
Do you remember?
You touched my heart.
You said shit. You lied. You fucking said. You said I do. You lied.
My heart was blinded by you.
Do you remember me? I was once this man who was in love with you, but no longer. Goodbye, my seagull. Goodbye, my seagull. You were the one. You have been the one who was. You have been the one. You have been the one who was fed by me.
I am a dreamer.
You are a dreamer.
When I wake,
To think that I can keep feeding you and I won't break. This is me saying no. I hope you like this and how this go. This is a song to take the piss back out of you, because what you do, because you take all from me, all my numbers from my screen. I don't care what you say, I'm allowed to say my speech. This is my little spiel. Fuck you, I don't give a fuck if you don't like it, and it don't feel nice. It don't feel nice to hear this, to hear this to you, to hear these words. I fucking say this because you ain't been there for me. I do didn't work. No, it didn't fucking work.
when I still hold your hand in mine.
And you still don't hold my hand or nothing. You still, and you still live in the house that I was in when I was a kid. My childhood home. I paid for it. I paid for. I made it. I made that seagull. I made that home. I made that home for you. You're so hollow, seagull. You're so hollow. You're not deserving to be called a fucking baby. You're so hollow. You're so hollow. You're so, and you never did swallow, baby. Thank you for watching. I might catch up with you again soon. Bye-bye.